Hi everyone, I hope we're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I am your favorite YouTuber. Today we're going to be talking about my new favorite umbrella affirmation that absolutely blew my mind when I first read it. I have been using it every single day for 2 days now, and it has been filling in every single category of my life so nicely in the best way possible that I just could not share it with you guys. But before we get into it, you are more than welcome to subscribe. On this channel, I talk about all things law of assumption. So if that sounds good to you, I would love to have you here. If you would like to enroll in my Manifest Your SP course, if you would like to book one-on-one coaching with me, or if you would like to join my collective coaching program, all of the information will be in the description box down below. Alternatively, you can go on RitaKaminski.com and all of the information will be there as well. I would like to give a massive shout out and credit to Honey on Twitter. This is her @ so make sure to follow her. She was the one who tweeted this. When I read it, I was like, yes, this is the umbrella affirmation for me. Everything in my life is perfect, magical, and easy. Now, it is a spin on two of my favorite affirmations. Everything in my life is perfect and every moment of my life is magical. This one hits everything. You're affirming that your life is perfect and magical and easy. Absolutely every single category of your life. It is absolutely genius. There was no one affirmation that I could encapsulate exactly what it is that I wanted. And I wanted to manifest a life living in alignment, having the best experiences, but I also wanted every area of my life to be manifested in a very perfect way, in a way that I find to be perfect. I believe that this umbrella affirmation is the one that targets all of these things, because when I say everything in my life is perfect, I began to feel like it was like a rigid perfect, not a perfect in my own view of the world. So when I shifted the affirmation to everything in my life is perfect, magical, and easy, it quickly fixed that. I'm not saying to go and change your affirmations every 2 weeks, but if you have been using an affirmation for a hot minute now and it's not feeling as exciting for you anymore, or you're feeling, this isn't actually what I want, like I want it to make more sense to me, by all means change your affirmation. It's also great when the easy part is in the equation, because you're not trying too hard to manifest, you're not trying too hard to get anything in any category of your life, whether it's weight loss, whether it is more friends, whether it is more subscribers. I felt like everything is going my way was a bit too Karenish. Like, I didn't want things to just go my way. I wanted every single category of my life to literally be busting, with a capital T in the middle of that word, bitch. Yeah. I don't want a life where everything just goes my way when I'm walking through my day-to-day business. And that's how I started seeing that affirmation as. And everything is happening best case scenario for me is also good, but I also started seeing it as an implication that things might not be happening best case scenario for me. And that's when I realized I kind of graduated from that affirmation. I think it has already set in my mind that everything is happening best case scenario for me, so it feels silly saying that. But when I say everything in my life is perfect, magical, and easy, that means absolutely every single category in my life, whether it be money, relationship, the way my day-to-day life goes, where my mind is at, my self-concept. If I'm going to the beach, am I going to the gym? Am I motivated? Do I have cute little moments in the day where I stop and smile, like I go out of my backyard and I see the sun setting, and the way that the sun is setting and hitting the trees is absolutely beautiful, and it absolutely makes my day. That is magical to me. And I'm following the affirmation that makes me more excited and leaning towards what it is that I want, and I want a magical life like that. So that everything in my life is perfect, magical, and easy is absolutely perfect for me, and I am 100% sure that it is going to fill in all of your needs as well. So try it out with me for one day. Just keep repeating, everything in my life is perfect, magical, and easy. Everything in my life is perfect, magical, and easy. Everything in my life is perfect, magical, and easy, and see where it gets you, because it has gotten me to so many amazing opportunities and amazing moments with my partner, with my friends, with my family, with tiny little synchronicities in my day. I don't have to worry about manifesting for multiple things. I know and I trust that this umbrella affirmation is hitting it all for me. No matter what I'm thinking or I'm worrying about or I'm doubting, is this here yet? Of course it is, because everything, this thing not excluded, bitch, is perfect. It's absolutely perfect. My life is magical. My life is easy. I'm getting it easily. I'm getting it magically. I'm getting it in a perfect way, perfect for me, perfect for what I want. And with that being said, I trust that this video gave you the guidance that you needed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because I know you loved it. I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.